Okay, well, ignore the dog in the background, but we have another engine issue, and it's clear as day. Okay, it was a bit better that time. Now he didn't hear it at all. I don't know, but every time I start it, it does that a bit in the beginning, and I'll show you right now in the, I took the oil cap off, and this is what I saw, and it was bad, and I wiped it off, and I don't know, it's only started to happen in the past, like, couple starts, like the past today or, like, the day before. I don't know why it's happening, but we're going to, figure it out. Thanks for checking in.